2013 BMW 640i 4-door. Beautiful car, really nice. I like it. Got a converter up there somewhere. Then it wides out to 2 pipes out the back. We kept the resonator on it there, as you guys can see. 2.5-inch pipe. Then it goes 2 1/4 after the resonator, a dual in, dual out. And what we did is a muffler delete on it there and right there, as you guys can see. And finished it off with some blue flame carbon fiber tips there. And right there to complete the look. Came out a lot cleaner, a lot nicer with the tips because he's got a lot of carbon fiber on it, as you guys can see. It needed that final touch with the tips. There's the 2 mufflers that were on it we cut off, and there's the tips that were on it that we cut off right there. That's what it looks like after. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. If you don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. Sound us right at 96. Not bad. Go ahead and back it up. There's the stock mufflers that were on it, guys, that we cut off. Very nice, I like it. Let you guys hear on the inside. Muffler delete, BMW 640i. 640 BMW. Look at this beast. Beautiful car. Get a rear muffler delete and carbon fiber tips. Get on it. Go. Sounds so good. Enjoy, guys.